Celebrate spring with engaging and fun Earth Day projects for your students. In today's episode, I'm going to share some exciting Earth Day projects that will not only teach your students about the importance of environmental conservation, but also provide them with hands-on learning experiences. From creating recycled crafts to starting a school garden, these projects are designed to inspire creativity, critical thinking, and a love for our planet. Whether your students want to make art from recycled materials, plant trees, or learn about sustainable practices, these activities are going to help them understand the impact of their actions on our environment. With Earth Day just around the corner, it's the perfect time to get your students involved and show them how they can make a difference. So grab your art supplies, gardening tools, and let's jump into a fun-filled Earth Day journey with these exciting projects. Hey there, educational rock stars. Welcome back to another episode of One Classroom Over. My mission is simple: to equip you with actionable tips, transformative stories, effective classroom management systems, and expert insights for your K-5 classroom. I'm Farah, also known as the Center Fairy, your go-to guide for all things for simplifying your teacher life. Each episode dives deep into key facets of the teaching experience, from lesson planning and classroom management to student engagement and professional growth. If you're new here, make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button and click that bell so that you'll be notified when I go live or upload a new video here on the channel. Today, we're talking all things Earth Day. So whether you're sipping coffee at home or binge watching while prepping your lessons, crank up the volume and get ready for a dose of inspiration and empowerment. Let's dive in. Earth Day is celebrated on April 22nd every year, and it's a global event that aims to raise awareness about environmental issues and encourage individuals to take action. It serves as a reminder that we have a responsibility to protect and preserve our planet for future generations. As teachers, it's crucial to teach our students about the importance of Earth Day and why it matters. By engaging them in meaningful Earth Day projects, you can instill in them a sense of environmental stewardship and empower them to make a positive impact on the world around them. Engaging students in Earth Day projects goes beyond just teaching them about environmental conservation. These projects offer numerous benefits that help in their overall development. Firstly, Earth Day projects provide hands-on learning experiences that stimulate critical thinking and problem-solving skills. When children actively participate in activities like planting trees or creating recycled crafts, they learn to think creatively and find solutions to real-world environmental challenges. Secondly, these projects promote a sense of responsibility and empathy. By engaging in activities that directly impact the environment, students develop a deep understanding of their role in protecting the earth and becoming more compassionate towards nature and all living things. Lastly, Earth Day projects foster a love for the outdoors and encourage students to spend time in nature. By engaging in activities like gardening or outdoor scavenger hunts, students can develop a connection with the natural world, which can have a positive impact on their physical and mental well-being. Now that we understand the importance and benefits of Earth Day projects, let's explore some exciting project ideas that you can undertake with your students. One of the most popular Earth Day activities for students is creating crafts from recycled materials. This project not only teaches children about the importance of recycling, but also encourages them to think creatively and repurpose everyday items. To get started, collect a variety of recyclable materials such as cardboard boxes, plastic bottles, and old newspapers. Then encourage your students to use their imagination and create artwork, sculptures, or even functional items like pencil holders or bird feeders. Another fantastic Earth Day project for students is planting and gardening. This project allows your students to get their hands dirty while learning about the importance of plants in our ecosystem. Start by teaching your students about different types of plants, their life cycles, and the benefits of gardening. Then help them plant flowers, herbs, or vegetables in a designated area within your school premises. This hands-on experience will teach your students the importance of nurturing plants, the role of pollinators, and the impact that plants have on the environment. Nature scavenger hunts are also a fun and educational Earth Day activity that gets children excited about exploring the outdoors. Create a list of items or natural elements that can be found in your local environment, such as leaves, rocks, or even animal tracks. Divide your students into teams and provide them with a scavenger hunt list. Let them explore the school grounds or a nearby park to find and check off items on their list. This activity not only encourages outdoor play, but also helps children develop observation skills and learn about the diversity of nature. Similar to recycled crafts, upcycled art projects involve repurposing discarded materials to create unique and artistic pieces. This Earth Day project focuses on reducing waste and encourages your students to think creatively and about how they can transform trash into treasures. Collect a variety of materials like bottle caps, old CDs, fabric scraps, or even broken toys. Then provide your students with art supplies like glue, paint, and brushes. Encourage them to let their imagination run wild and create artwork or sculptures using upcycled materials. This project not only promotes creativity, but also emphasizes the importance of waste reduction and sustainability. Now, incorporating educational games and activities into your Earth Day projects can make the learning experience even more engaging and interactive. Create games like Earth Day Trivia, environmental bingo, or even a recycling relay race. These activities will not only reinforce lessons learned about environmental conservation, but also provide an opportunity for children to collaborate, problem solve, and have fun together. You can also organize a small Earth Day fair where students can showcase their projects and participate in various educational games and activities. While Earth Day projects provide an excellent opportunity to teach children about environmental conservation, it's essential to incorporate sustainability lessons into these projects to create a lasting impact. Ensure that you explain the rationale behind each project and its connection to larger sustainability goals. For example, when creating recycled crafts, discuss the importance of reducing waste and the environmental benefits of repurposing materials. When planting and gardening, teach students about sustainable gardening practices like composting and water conservation. By incorporating sustainability lessons into your Earth Day projects, you are not only teaching your students about the specific actions that they can take to protect the environment, but also instill in them a broader understanding of their role in creating a sustainable future. Earth Day projects for your students offer a unique opportunity to inspire the next generation of environmental stewards. By engaging children in hands-on activities that teach them about environmental conservation, you can empower them to make a positive impact on our planet. From DIY recycled crafts to outdoor nature scavenger hunts, your projects provide valuable learning experiences that foster creativity, critical thinking, and a love for the earth. Then, incorporating sustainability lessons into those projects, you're ensuring that your children understand the importance of their actions and develop a lifelong commitment to protecting the environment. Another fun way that you can engage your students this Earth Day is with this free Earth Day foldable. You can find a link to it in the description down below. So, this Earth Day, seize the opportunity to engage your students in fun and educational projects that will not only teach them about the importance of Earth Day, but also inspire them to become lifelong champions of the environment. Let's work together to create a sustainable future for generations to come. Now, if you're looking for more tips, strategies, and simple systems to take back into your classroom to make your teacher life a little easier, check out the other videos on your screen. Thanks for watching and keep being an educational rock star.